Oh my god. If this is not the most bootleg thing I've ever seen in my life, I don't know what is. So a couple of videos ago, I made a skirt. Well, I shouldn't say I made it. Like, I didn't actually make like an entire skirt. I just cut out some fabric and then sewed it onto a skirt. Honestly, it was like kind of fun. It was a little time consuming and a little annoying at times, but I found it kind of enjoyable. And I kind of thought I should do another outfit, but not on me, on my cat. I cannot guarantee that she will comply. She probably won't. She probably will not want to put on the outfit, and if I do put it on her, she will not like it very much. So I don't know how many seconds I'm gonna get of her with the outfit on. I gathered a few articles of clothing that I have that I do not use, or I've never used, or I never will use. So first thing is, I actually have another one of those skirts that I had. I had a black one, and then this one is the same exact one except it's in burgundy. I feel like this is not gonna be that useful. I feel like I'm thinking something to put over her like head, so like a shirt, but like make it like a dress. So I think this is out. Oh, so this is a pajama top that I had for years. I was thinking, since it's obviously long, like for her body, that this could be like a little dress, a sleeveless dress, right? I cut this, cut this. I saw this shirt. Again, I think this is a pajama shirt. How cute is this little star? I was thinking of cutting out the star. And get ready for this. This is the best thing. I don't remember where I got this. I may have been gifted this. I'm so sorry that I'm doing this. It says, why limit happy hour to just an hour? XOXO. I was just thinking of cutting some of the words. So like happy, maybe like XOXO. I don't think I'm gonna use hour limit. So I'll put like star, the word happy. You know, it's a positive dress. I'm making a positive dress for my positive but grumpy cat. First things first is the sleeves. So we're just gonna chop these off. If I can, I need to do a straight line. Come on. Pretty sure in my last video, I mentioned something about buying fabric scissors. I never bought fabric scissors. And now I have to suffer and use these kitchen scissors that do not cut fabric very well. I gotta remember to buy those freaking fabric scissors. Oh. Okay, so I cut this front part good, but the back not so much, so I gotta fix that. Oh, this freaking, I'm about to leave this little flap here. Should I leave that? I'll just keep cutting pieces that look weird and try to make them look good, and yeah. Just ignore this. But that's one side of the dress, and yeah, gotta cut the other side. Right, I did it. They're not perfectly even, but like, it's decent. I mean, come on, I'm not a seamstress. I'm not a fashion designer. This is what you're gonna get. Still feel like it's a little too long, so I might cut the bottom a little bit. Should I? Also, it is a bit big. My cat is chunky, but she ain't this chunky. At least I don't think so. While I was cutting and ripping stuff, I realized that ripping it kind of made the edges like a little more better. I mean, it makes it do this, like curl up. Oh my god, I just realized the back is like, there's like a piece that's so long, I have to cut that. Did I even polish? Is that it? Oh my gosh, no! What am I doing? You know what, I'm just gonna fix the corner here and then that's it, because it's just gonna keep getting worse and worse. So it's like, I might as well just stop right here while I can. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think this is gonna have to be it. Don't look at the bottom. This is like a crop top for me. I'm going to cut the star. That'll do, that'll do. So this is supposed to say happy, but if you noticed, the Y here, it basically is a U now, because I kind of, while I was cutting it, I cut off like that long part a little bit, so it was like dangling, and it just really annoyed me, so I just cut it off. So now it's Hapu. It just hit me like how dumb this is. I made a shirt dress that says Hapu with a sun, or not a sun, oh my god, with a star, and I'm about to put XOXO on it. I love my life. So this is what I'm thinking. Hapu there, XOXO, and then star right here. So yeah, I just gotta sew it up. Oh my god. If this is not the most bootleg thing I've ever seen in my life, I don't know what is. Ta-da! I didn't put any effort in the sewing. Did I? So we have Hapu, star, and XOXO, Gossip Girl. But yeah, that's the whole thing. Now it's time to put it on my cat. I don't think this is working out so well. Put this arm here. Oh, okay. I feel like I should have gone with the halter top idea, because look, first of all, this does not fit her. I should have done like a halter top. I think I underestimated how skinny you actually are, not fat. This is it. Oh wait, your arm is not even, your arm. Oh no. This is it. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this. Look at the outfit. Yeah, let's just take this out because I know you don't like it. Thanks though. Okay, so maybe if it had fit better, I mean, yeah, it would have looked better, but honestly, cats and outfits just do not go together. That's pretty much the most footage I'm gonna get of my cat wearing it, because as you saw, she was very, very miserable. So yeah, thanks for watching my second fashion video. Next time, I'm gonna be making like a jacket. Oh wait, no, I made a skirt, I made a cat dress / crop top for a human. Or maybe I can make pants next time. Thanks for watching. Until next time.